Hey everybody, John here. Today we have a package from David's Garden Seeds. I'm going to do a little unboxing here and see how they package and ship their seeds. This is my first time ordering from David's Garden Seeds. Comes with the invoice here. Of course I blacked out my address there. We got... Oh, look. So, it came with a free gift. Tomato beef steak, indeterminate. Indeterminate means it'll continue to produce tomatoes until either it freezes or dies back. If you have a determinate variety, it'll produce a set amount of tomatoes, and that's it. So that's cool. So they sent a nice little freebie with it. Cool. I'm wanting to start some beefsteak tomatoes this year, so that'll be great. Definitely appreciated. Thank you, David's Garden Seeds. So what I'm excited about is I got some moringa seeds. Moringa. Yeah, don't know if I'm saying that right, but we'll let it ride. Comes in a nice package here. Of course, I've already ripped the top open. Tried to make it easier for the video. Alright, have a look here. Oh wow, look at those. So those are some really cool looking seeds. Let's see. Get those up. Oh, they're good looking seeds. Hopefully they germinate well. So I'll probably do a separate video specifically on these and their benefits. One cool thing about them is they're supposed to grow between 10 and 15 feet in a single year. So, really neat. Looking forward to these. Alright, so that's moringa. Really cool. The next one I got here is lemongrass, East India. So I got 200 seeds of the lemongrass and then 10 seeds of the moringa. So we'll see what these look like. Oh, nice. Comes in a nice little Ziploc bag. So that's cool. I guess that makes sense being they're small and as fine as they are. Cool. So we'll get these started. I'll probably do a video on these as well when I get those started and go from there. But that's really cool. Alright, so we got lemongrass, we got the moringa, and then of course they threw in a nice little freebie of tomato beefsteaks. Can't complain with that. Alright, well thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.